Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. The sun is so bright. Today Adam and I are going to be having the most basic and epic fall day. We have a fall bucket list inserted here on the screen that we are going to be doing today. And yeah, we're just going to do all the fall things in one day, and it's going to be fun. So come along with us on our basic fall day. We're in our basic fall outfits. Here, I'll show you, Adam. My lumberjack. Yep. Alright, so yep. It's me and my leopard print. He's the lumberjack. So the best way to start off a basic fall day is to go get Starbucks. So let's go. Okay, so we got our Starbucks, and the next thing on the list, or at least somewhere on the list, is to go to a pumpkin patch. And we don't have a pumpkin patch here. We're at Walmart, where they have lots of pumpkins. So we're gonna pick one. That one's cute.
Yeah, I like it.
There you go.
Squat.
We've got our pumpkin. Nice. Look at these ones. These are cute. Color-wise. Ew, but I hate the ones with the bumps on them because nope, can't look at those. Okay, now I'm gonna get the stuff. Okay, so the next thing we have to do is baking, and I'm not good at baking like my mother-in-law or even my mother. So we're gonna do it from a cake mix, but we're not gonna make cake. So stay tuned to find out what we're gonna make. Okay, now we need to take a really cute fall picture for the Instagram. Follow us on Instagram. Okay, so that might be a total fail, as you guys might have seen pictures on Instagram, or maybe not. But I will show some on the screen now. So yep, that was the result. We did it, so it's a success. But
Yeah,
we do want some cute fall couple photos, so JC, hit us up if you need some models. Welcome to the baking portion of the video. So you guys saw that we got the supplies, and now we are going to bake a perfect fall recipe for us. We're going to be making pumpkin spice donuts. So let's get into it. It's a super easy recipe that I found on, of course, Pinterest. All we need is cake mix, which we got this super moist spice cake mix. There's pudding in the mix.
Super moist.
And then we got pumpkin, which is an important ingredient. And then all you need other than that is half a cup of water, 1/4 cup sugar, and 1 teaspoon cinnamon. So let's get into it. Oh, and also you need a donut pan, which I have some silicone molds, which will work just fine. So basically, we're just mixing these with water and then putting them in the donut pan. So now we're gonna do a cool little artsy montage of us baking. Enjoy.
While that's baking, we are going to make some fall drinks to enjoy while we wait, and also while we watch our movie later on.
All right, welcome to the pumpkin cutting portion of our video. We have our beautiful pumpkin, hand selected by Adam, washed by me, and we are going to make the quintessential, did I use that right? Jack-o'-lantern.
Yes.
Quintessential,
A classic.
classic jack-o'-lantern. So, let's do it. Okay, while we're carving our pumpkin, let's do a little session called, let me think of a name for it. Do a little segment called Get to Know Adam and Liv / Chats about our childhood / Asking each other questions. Ta-da! What a great title. Also,
Catchy.
what was your favorite part of fall when you were a child?
Part of fall?
Yeah, or just like this time of year.
The weather changing to colder weather.
Yeah,
I like the cold weather.
Adam's favorite season is winter. I actually really love fall. I say I'm a summer person, but that's just because I don't like the cold. I actually love fall fashion more than summer. But I'm just a tropical person. I love all that jazz. When I was younger, what was my favorite part about fall? I'll just answer it since you didn't ask me.
I was going to ask. I just didn't get around to it.
Yeah, I talk a lot. We always had a fall festival at our church, and I always loved that. Not that we really dressed up.
I loved Halloween.
Okay, let's just talk about things now. Favorite?
Ah!
Did you just get it on yourself?
The pumpkin's fighting back.
Do you need me to do anything currently?
No, it's kind of hard for two people to have their hands in a pumpkin.
Just get in there.
Doable, but
Let's talk about marriage. Guys, we have been married for 5 months now.
what?
5. It's crazy. What is the best part about marriage that you weren't expecting?
That I wasn't expecting.
I just made it more difficult.
Yeah.
Okay, what's the best?
The best part about marriage is getting to live with my best friend.
Yeah, that's the best part.
Go to sleep together and wake up together.
Yeah, for anyone new here, we did not live together, sleep together, anything together. Not anything together, but
We didn't see each other before the wedding.
was an arranger. No. We did not live together before we got married, so that part of marriage has been very exciting and fun. What's been the hardest thing, and I agree with him on that, that's been the best thing so far. We just get to do everything together. When we're home together, that kind of stuff. Things where maybe we would have been at separate places.
The hardest thing?
Yeah.
It's probably just that this happened since we've been married, is that I work more early mornings and then pretty late nights. So I have most of my day free, but then we don't get to really spend any time other than that together. And when you had your other job at Arrow, that was
Yeah, I was working.
One of us was always working at some point. We didn't get
Yeah.
to see each other too often,
More like
even though we
just
lived together.
passing shifts.
Yeah.
Yeah, and on that note, I am now a full-time videographer. I work for myself. So when Adam is home, I'm working, editing films, videos, whatever. So I do that. Sometimes I try to save a lot of that work for when he's working in the evening because I am a night owl anyways. So I feel productive in the evening. But anyways, yeah.
Sorry, I'm a perfectionist about my pumpkins.
He's getting in there, guys. Okay, that'll end the segment that I forgot what I named it.
Be asking each other questions about our childhood segments.
Yeah,
/ getting to know Adam and Liv
/ random questions that I just decide to ask Adam. That'll end that because otherwise it could get really long and boring. So, if you liked this segment, let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and leaving a comment below. Ouch. Who's it?
Pete the Pumpkin.
Pro tip from Adam, put cinnamon in your pumpkins and light a candle. I didn't know this, but maybe other people know this. Pro tip from
Cinnamon spice.
Tammy, really.
Pumpkin spice.
Yeah,
That's what I
pumpkin
meant.
spice. Cinnamon spice.
This is cinnamon is a spice, guys.
So these are the Epic Fails of donuts, and I think it's due to the pan, because these are the super epic fails. But we are going to enjoy this and do the next step on the list, which is cozy time with a movie. Alright, we're gonna watch Harry Potter. That's it for the video. I'm having trouble holding this camera out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Peace.